Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to change video quality on YouTube Shorts, and all you have to do is to launch the YouTube application, and then we're going to head on over to Shorts. And then from here, if you want to change the quality of this YouTube short, all you have to do is to tap on their three dots, and then you're going to tap on quality, and then you're going to put it on higher, and from there the video quality will change and it will be higher. Now, in the case that you want to try another way to actually make the video quality look higher, all you have to do is to tap on your profile here, and then you're going to tap on the settings, then you're going to tap on video quality preference. From here, you're going to change it to higher, then you're going to change this one to higher. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.